You can see the boys in the bell tower right there. Look at them climbing on that bell. They were just ringing the bells. I met a few of those boys, or young men, in some previous videos that I uploaded to this channel. This is in Jocotepec, and that is Parroquia Señor del Monte. And those guys go up there and they work. Watch it. I don't know what they're doing now. Okay, they're ringing the bells. There they go. They go up there at that roof and climb into the bell tower. Look at that one guy standing over there. I was standing over that railing too, shooting videos. That exact little area to the right, where that man with the hat is. That's where I was at too. I was all over the roof, in the bell tower.